Hey, it's Dr. Bove, aka Captain Crunch, and this is my son Gabriel. Number 2 in the motocross videos. Alright, and how you feeling, buddy?
Fine, except my neck. I slept weird.
Okay.
So it hurts. Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to check him out and adjust him. You know, he's been adjusted since he was, you know, a couple of minutes old. So, but it's a great example of, you know, stuff happening. You know, yeah, sure. Do we sleep weird sometimes? Yeah. Okay. Alright, lay facing down. Let's check it all out. What do you got, a necklace on under here?
Yeah.
Alright. Is it a hatchet?
I always rock the necklace.
Oh, cool. Man, this middle, I don't like this middle. Jay, you've been playing a lot of video games or what? What the heck?
I sit in front of a computer for school.
Wow, virtual learning.
Yup.
Just great. Okay, deep breath. Let it all the way out. Yeah, almost. Yeah, that's a mess, man. All right, turn on, put this side up. So turn on facing me this way. Good. That was nice.
That was nice.
Perfect. Okay. Flip all the way to the other side. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Go on your back. Then I want you to sit up facing the wall. Just like this. Stay like this. Okay. Crisscross. This is for lower here. All right. Deep breath in. Let it all the way out. Lay back, but stay in a bit of a crunch position. Yeah. Bend. Oh, man. Thanks for the workout tonight, G. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Stretching you out. Okay, let's check this neck. Yeah, your neck. I feel it. The muscles are tight. Your C2 is rotated. And you are beat up.
I got adjusted in a while.
Oh, see? The shoemakers, kids don't get shoes. Yeah. It's an old time saying. But yeah, it has been a while. That's not good. A couple weeks, that's too long.
Yeah.
Plus, you also had, same with you, Bree, the trauma of the motor vehicle accident. Same with you, Hannah. You'll see it in the South Carolina vlog. The aftermath. Thank God, just soft tissue, you know. But definitely can still cause some problems. Perfect. All right, I'm going to stand behind you. All right, buddy. Come on. Get up there. That's it. Tight muscle all along here. Ay, ay, ay. We'll work on it tomorrow, too. Perfect. All right, buddy. We're ready to rock and roll.
All right, thank you.
Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe, Captain Crunch DC. All right, and stay tuned for some more cool stuff that we'll be putting out. Thanks again. See you soon.